Namaskara, Harsha here. Welcome back. So today is the day 17 of the 21-day headstand mastery. Today's practice is going to be totally nuts. Again, as I told you in the previous one, this is definitely not for the beginners at all. For you to do something that I'm going to show you right now, you should have practiced headstand, hand balancing, and Shirshasana at least for 3-4 years, minimum 3-4 years. So this is Parshva Bakasana in Shirshasana. Okay, so for this, as I said, it's called as Parshva Bakasana. Bakasana is one of the hand balancing asanas. So we do Parshva Bakasana in Shirshasana. So let's see how this is done. I'm gonna come up to Shirshasana first. And then I let go of the hands, I bend, I turn the trunk, and then I come up. And then we change to the other side. You come back. Then to the right side. And then you come up. And then after you're down, just interlock the fingers, rest the head. And then you slowly lift the head up and then you sit up. So in order for you to do this, you need at least a few years. I'm definitely not sharing this to just show off. This is for those practitioners only who've been practicing standing asanas, who've been practicing headstand, who've been practicing hand balancing for at least 3 to 4 years. This is for only them. It's definitely not for the beginners. So this is Parshva Bakasana in Shirshasana. So I don't know what kind of comments I'm going to get with respect to this, but if you're someone who's been wanting to practice hand balancing, Shirshasana, and headstand, and if you ever thought, okay, is there a way I can combine all this? This is how it is. You can start to practice this by staying there for like 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Like I just stayed there for like 3 seconds just to start off with, where I just lifted the leg up and then I came down. This is just for me to tell you, okay, what comes after what. As I said, this is day 17. It's been 21 days. Probably you'll need 21 weeks or 21 months or maybe 2 years or 3 years in order to reach here, or maybe 4 years. But don't lose faith. Keep practicing. If you haven't tried my earlier videos, please do give it a try. For those who actually tried this, I really like to hear from you. I just want to know how you guys felt. Please do share your views in the comments as to how you felt. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.